taking pictures. I'm doing video. Okay, easy, buddy. We left our calves behind. We're playing too much. Good boy.